guys, good morning and welcome to my first ever vlog. And today I'm shooting my vlog on 5th of May. So I don't know when it will get uploaded on YouTube with editing, but I will try my best to upload as soon as possible. So yes, as I mentioned, today is 5th of May, and I thought why not to just share some like fun and relatable content with you rather than just shooting some educational stuff, because as a third viewer it will get boring obviously. I only have like 1 dozen of mango orders since a week, and I'm a bit concerned and worried about the sales part right now, because as a mango lover, I think that when the season is about to end, so I know for sure that I'm not gonna get to eat the mangoes till next year. So I have to eat as much as I can right now, because बाद में मिलेगा ही नहीं, right? So I'm sure like you guys also can like relate with me on this kind of stuff. Like if there are no mangoes after like next month, so how will we survive? Like, so this is what I think basically. I'm not a professional vlogger, so please guys bear with me if there is any glitches or something like that, because I will try my best to shoot the vlog as raw as possible. So yes, what I was saying. See, this is what I do. Like I forget things like quickly.
A few moments later.
So yes, I was saying that when the mango season is about to end, so as a mango lover, I will think that I won't get to eat the mangoes till next year, so I have to eat right now. So why not everyone is thinking like that? I don't know what's going on. So it's been like since a week, so I'm like pitching the customers or taking their reviews, and asking them if they want the mango box or something like that. But there is like no positive like a feedback or a thing coming from there, like not in the feedback kind of sense, because the feedbacks are amazing, the reviews are amazing. Feedback in the sense when I'm asking them for the order, so the response is not as good as what I thought. Today the day was like very quiet, like actually since a week the day is like I'm just sitting and wondering what's going wrong or something, and I'm just overthinking, nothing else. So I thought why not to just take you through and share with you guys that what I'm going through. So as you know that ordering only 1 dozen of mango orders is not worth it, right? Because ordering in a bulk quantity, that makes like much more sense. But right now there is only 1 dozen of orders, and I have to like fill this gap, because the customer which wants the order for 1 dozen of mangoes, so she wants the order on 24th of May or before that. So till then I have time, like it's like 15 days, so I have to like fill the gap in between, because at least if I have 3 or 4 dozen of orders, mango orders, so it will be like good for me at least. I will show you like how I function when there is no sales happening. So let's get into it. Yes, I'm just shooting this vlog in a horizontal manner, and I'm not used to just holding the camera for so long, and then I'm just switching my hands like from from left to right again, because my hands are paining. I don't know, like hats off to the vloggers how they do it. So yes, as I was saying that I'm just working on the like basic household things which I do in the regular basis, and then I will start working on the mango thing, like how to pitch the customers and how to target the sales part. So yeah. Hey guys, I am back and I'm checking in with you guys after an hour or so. So I did all my household things. I showered. As you can see, I'm fresh right now. So yes, I'm on to editing a content for you guys with my laptop. I have my laptop with me, and I'm editing some kind of content for you guys, because while I was sitting for the sales part, then I thought like I had many things in my mind, like many ideas and plans, but I was not sure like how to start that, how to execute it. So I called my like husband and shared with him that how to do it, how to not. So he also said that let me come from the office, and then like he can also punch his opinions, and when he also gives his inputs and I also give mine, so like after that it works out really well. I also thought why not to just try to multitask everything right today. Let's give it a shot, because what I am is I'm not a multitasker. Like I've seen like vloggers or people in daily life who multitask everything, and like I am in full of awe thing that how can they multitask everything? Because what my thing is, when I am like right now editing a reel, so my 100 focus will be on editing a reel. and I cannot like afford to just shift my focus here and there. And if I'm like talking to you guys, so I will talk to you guys only, and so I cannot like shift my focus from here to there. So I thought, why not to just multitask it, so that it will help me also in my future to multitask everything while I'm vlogging, or while I'm editing something or posting something. So yes, let's talk. Like I spent most of the like usual days, like when I have orders and I have like some kind of like order work to do. So I spend like most of the day replying to the messages to the customers, taking their address for delivering the mangoes or something, or like planning content, or basically to stay trying to stay productive. Like, but your mind still keeps thinking like, why is it slow today? Because as I told you, like I'm an overthinker. So I overthink like, why is it slow today? What happened? What is going wrong? And stuff like that. I think like this is something people don't really see. Like every small business has days like this, and it's okay. Like I don't know why I'm giving you a kind of motivation, because I don't personally listen to this, because what I have to overthink, I will. There is no kind of escape to that. But still, I will give motivation, even if you don't listen. But still, I will give, because I'm the one who questions little things. But you also learn to be patient at times, like I am right now. Like I'm, slowly understanding that not every day has to be like big. Some days are just about showing up, or like maybe tomorrow will be different, and maybe not, but I will do the same things again and again. I will post every day. I will try to be consistent in on YouTube, on Instagram, and I will do my best as much as I can. If like right now when I'm editing, so I am stuck onto some like short, where I have to split that content in two. But I don't know like from which seconds I should split that content. So I take help of ChatGPT or Claude, because at times, because as a ChatGPT, I'm a ChatGPT paglu, and I have like stuff in my mind. Like there are some kind of questions which like arises like in like day to day life. So I take help of ChatGPT, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. Okay, so I have like edited a reel for now. Right now I am on to searching some trending audios, because I try to spend at least half an hour on Instagram doing nothing but searching some trending content or trending audios for Instagram, which will help me update that on my reels and on my post in future, if I will upload, whichever I will upload. Because like trending audio or trending content really helps, like really. So I'm also thinking to just stay updated with the trend, whatever it comes. So I spend like a half an hour at least on Instagram. I'm done with my work right now, the laptop work, and I'm thinking what to do next, because there is nothing which is there for me right now. And now I'm thinking to just have some food, because I'm really hungry. So I will just cook something for myself, and I will eat something, and then again I will probably do some kind of research for my YouTube and Instagram basically. So yeah, this was me with you on my first vlog, and I know that it was a okay vlog. You didn't enjoy much, because please guys bear with me. It was my first vlog, and I didn't know like what to say, how to react, or how to do that. But you, as everyone says, like मैं करती रहूँगी अच्छा, like as much as vlogs I shoot, so I will get camera friendly, and I will get used to it. So please guys bear with me, and if you like this vlog, please like this vlog, subscribe to the channel, and also you can comment down what other videos you want me to do. And till then, keep eating as much as you can, and stay positive. Bye.